Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yuzika Fitriya. I'm from Management 24A with the NVM 2441110. And now I'm the presentation about understanding law and business law. Foundation for success. A comprehensive guide to the legal framework that govern modern commerce, designed for entrepreneur, manager, and aspiring legal professional. Discover how mastering business law is not just about compliance, but about creating a stable, ethic, and growth-oriented enterprise. What is law? The backbone of society. At its cover, law is structured system of rules created by government or manual institution to regulate behavior. These rules are rigorously enforced through a set of instructional structure designed to maintaining social order and finance, provides order and predictability by establish clear boundaries and expectation. Law makes daily life and complex commercial activities predictable, protects rights and freedom. Legal system ensure that fundamental rights, personal property, and civil are protected from infringement by other or justice. Resolves disputes. It's our established mechanism called arbitration for setting conflicts quickly and just avoiding self-help or cost. Without a predictable legal environment, commerce would be impossible and daily interaction would be fraught with uncertainty. It is the dispensable foundation even which modern society and the global economic are built. Business law defines the rules of commerce. Business law, often referred to as commercial law, is a specialist branch that's governed by myriad interaction, transaction, and information that's occurred with business world. It is the legal framework that dictates how companies must operate from their inspection to their dissolution. Formation and governance governs the legal structure of the entity and its internal management rules. Commercial transaction cover sales of goods, negotiation and enforcement of control, banking and consumer protection law. Operational regulation encompasses arts like employment law, intellectual property, production, data privacy, and environmental regulation. Finance and compliance deals with aspects of taxation, corporate financial secrets, regular, mandatory reporting recruitment. Business law ensures that companies operate ethically, legal, and fairly in the marketplace, providing a level playing field and protecting stakeholder misconduct. Why business law matter real world stakes? Business law carries severe consequences that go beyond simple fines. Legal compliance is essential for mitigation, operational risk protection, brand reputation, and ensuring long-term variables. and environmental violation penalties. In a landmark case, engine manufacturers Cummins agrees to file a record 1,000 $675 civil penalty for failing to clear air eggs. The company installed the latest device in front of the sun to sign off engine by visits mission control, understanding the secure financial liability access with environmental non-compliance, and confidence at suction. Being fast section after it was discovered the lake's confidence information relating to a safety investigations, violation of protocol rules, confidential agreement, and ethical standard can lead to costly litigation, regulatory investigation, and loss of public trust, all handled under the scope of business law. And a business law is just about penalties, is actively protect consumer, employees, and stakeholders by mandating standards from product safety, ethical conduct, and financial. Key arts of business law. What every business should know. Understanding the foundation pillar of business law, crucial for proactive risk management. These four areas are frequently encountered in daily operation. Control law focus on the vetting, execution, and enforcement of legally binding agreement. Clear contract minimize ambiguity, define obligation, and provides remedies in case of breach. Understanding elements like over acceptance, consideration, and capability is non-negotiable. Employment law governed the relationship between employees and employees. This including free practice, discrimination law, wage and health regulation, workplace safety, and termination produce. Compliance protect against costly lawsuits and fosters a fair working environment. And intellectual property or EP protect a business intelligent asset. This includes patents or inventions, copyrights, creating word, trademark, brand identity, and threats to create confidential information. Effective IP strength ensures the innovation and brand value are legally safeguarded. Employed and regulatory compliance involves adherence to the vast network of government rules and standards across various sectors. Environmental law, consumer protect, and data security. Failure to comply can result in severe finance and mandates operational change and business structures and legal implication. The legal structure causes at a company inception detects its liability, taxation, administrative burden, and ability to raise capital. Costing correctly is a fundamental strategy decision. Sole proprietors personal liability unlimited, simple to set up, but owner personal assets are at risk for business debt. Partnership general, joint and several personality liability. As the two firms, but partners share liability for business debts, including those incurred by other partner. Liability, limited liability company LLC, limited liability corporate fail. owner or member are generally protected from business debts. The operating agreement is crucial for preventing abusive conflict, clarifying management rules, and defining profit distribution. Corporation (CRS) limited liability must comply rigorous formal board structure and compliance with strict corporate law based for raising large amounts of capital. The fundamental difference lies in liability structure like LLC and corporation provides a legal shield that separates the business financial from the owner personal asset, critical protection against business risks. Corporate law versus business law. Understanding the difference, while often used interchangeably, these two find have distinct focus with the commercial legal landscape. Corporate law is a specific subset of the broad business law domain. Business law, commercial law, this is the expensive umbrella that covers all commercial transactions and entities, regardless of size or structure, deals with daily operation and transaction, focus on ensuring fairness and legally in the marketplace, applies to nearly every legal aspect of running a business. Corporate law or subset specifically focus on the legal issue surrounding the formation, financing, internal government, and solution of corporation. Deals with structure and board meeting shareholder rights, includes compact at least manage and acquisition and corporate finance. Govern is relationship between shareholder, direct and officer. The rules of business lawyer protecting your interests. A skilled business lawyer is more than expects. They are an essential partner in risk mitigation and strategy planning. The rule transition from transaction advisor, providing necessary quick structure at business life scale. Drafting and review agreement. They, they meticulously craft contracts to close loops and protect the client from future litigation or final loss, ensuring all legal requirements are met across jurisdictions. Regularly compliance advising. Lawyer advise on complex federal, state, and international legal recruitment, dispute resolution, and litigation. When conflict are they present to business in negotiation, mediation, arbitration, or court working to resolve this segment effectively and favorable with managing business disruption. Strategy structuring to assist in choosing the optimal legal structure from expansion, holding merger, acquisition, and divestitures to ensuring legal, financial, and tax advantage are maximized. The impact of business law on growth and stability. Legal frameworks are non-constrained. They are catalysts for economic growth by providing certainty and fostering market integrity. Promotes fair competition. Untrust and unfair competition law prevents monopolies and deceptive practice. Offers trust. Law protecting consumer and employees. Establish minimum ethical requirement. Incentivized innovation. Robust intellectual property protection guarantees that creators and inventors can profit from the idea. justifying the significant investment required research and development. Legal strategy is a prerequisite for investment. When investors and business are confident the profit rights be respected and contract will be enforced, capital is more readily deployed, fueling economic expansion. In conclusion, mastering business law for sustainable success build your foundation for success. Essential knowledge. Understanding business law is not optional, it is essential for knowing, leading, or managing a commercial enterprise. Safeguard your asset. Legal compliance safeguard is company finance stability, reputation, and intellectual property, ensuring that your hard value is protected from external risk. Drives ethical growth by operating within legal and ethical framework. Business building lasting credibility, attract high quality talent, and secure the necessary foundation for sustainable long-term expansion. 6. Adopt legal advice early and treat compliance as a key strategy in enforcement, not just a cost to confidently navigation the complexity of modern commerce. Okay, guys, thank you for your waiting, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.